Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you try to use voice control on your iPhone and you unable to turn it on, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find, first thing you need to check, it's just to open the general and just find here software updates and just check your iPhone for new updates. If you also have it, just download and install updates on your iPhone. Another thing you need to check is just find here battery. So just find battery, and just if you turn on low power mode, just turn it off. If it doesn't help you too, you can also try to so just after you do it, just go again to accessibility, to voice control, and just try to turn it on. And if it doesn't help you, so you enable for turning on voice control again. So just try to restart your phone. So just go to the general, just find here shutdown, so just slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to make force restart on your phone. So just keep holding low volume and power button for about 10 seconds until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release 2 fingers from these 2 buttons. It means that you successfully made force restart on your phone. And also, after, if it doesn't help you, you can also just go to the general and open reset and just try to reset all the settings, but it's the latest way you can also try. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.